In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CC and BCC in Gmail. By the end, you'll know exactly how to include additional recipients the right way, whether you want everyone to see who's included or keep some addresses private. First, open Gmail. You can do this in your web browser or through the Gmail app. Once you're in and looking at your inbox, you're ready to start a new message. Click Compose. This opens a new message window. Usually in the lower right corner on desktop, you'll see the To field at the top of this window. That's where you put the main recipient or recipients, the people you're addressing directly. Now, next to the To field, look to the right and you'll see the options labeled CC and BCC. Click CC if you want to add people who should be informed and can see who else is on the email. Click BCC if you want to add recipients whose addresses should stay hidden from everyone else on the thread. This is especially helpful when emailing a group that doesn't know each other or when you want to protect privacy. Type the email addresses into CC for visible recipients or into BCC for hidden recipients. You can add more than one address. Just separate them with commas or press Enter after each one. As you type, Gmail often suggests contacts. Choose from those if it helps and double-check for typos to avoid bounced messages. Remember, everyone can see who's in the CC line, but no one except you can see who's in BCC. Also, if someone hits Reply All, BCC recipients won't be included in that reply, which can prevent accidental group responses. Next, write your email. Add a clear subject so recipients understand the purpose right away, then compose your message in the body. If you're using CC, consider briefly noting why certain people are copied, which adds context and reduces confusion. Keep your tone concise and respectful and make sure your message is addressed to the right audience. If you're using BCC for a larger group, avoid language that implies the recipients all know each other. When everything looks good, addresses in the right places, subject written, and message reviewed, click Send. You'll find the Send button at the bottom of the Compose window. A quick final glance at the TO, CC, and BCC lines before sending helps prevent accidental oversharing or missed recipients. And that's it. You've opened Gmail, clicked Compose, found the TO field, used CC or BCC as needed, written your email, and sent it with confidence.